This band is from Ultimal, and I've had this band for a while, probably a good year and a half, and I've used it on my first edition Apple Watch Ultra, the second edition, and then, of course, on the second edition Black here. And this band is held up really well and it's super durable. It's a little bit more of an aggressive band. You can see a little bit here. There's some wear right here just from this is where the band wraps around, and so there's a little bit of wear there. Like the trail loop, this is more of a durability because I have had this band for quite a while. The Velcro is held up really well, and one of the things I really like about the Velcro is that it has this pattern in here that makes it super breathable. So with this pattern in here, it doesn't hold all the moisture right underneath the strap. It makes it much easier for the moisture to pass through, which makes this band much easier to keep dry, especially after you wash it, which I've done many times, and it's held up really well. So you can see the canvas here, very comfortable. You don't typically think of canvas being very comfortable, but this band is nice and comfortable, and it's highly adjustable. And then you also have a variety of different colors that this comes in, and it says, ultra deep professional. It's kind of weird. I don't really know what those words are supposed to signify, but overall it's a nice band, very comfortable, and it's held up really well. And the clasp on the top is nice because with this, most of the other bands, the loop is just, it's there and you can't disconnect this, but this, you can fully remove the bottom portion from the top and lay the watch flat, which is really nice. Makes it really nice for charging, especially if you have some sort of a dock and those loop type of straps are challenging. The canvas on the back also goes a little bit past. I don't know how to really explain that, but like most of these other loops, they don't have anything that kind of protects you from the connection points. And so this is nice because it's a nice transition to the back of the Apple Watch. I think that kind of adds to the comfort as well. The Apple Watch isn't pressing down as hard into my skin, I noticed as well. So overall, I think they've just done a good job with this design. These bands are, a really good seller on Amazon, and I've got them in a couple of different colors. I tend to use them, especially when I'm doing longer runs or longer bike rides, and I want something that's comfortable with breathability.